Have you ever really stopped to think about how incredible your body is? I mean, it's kind of like a superhero. It has this built-in power to heal itself. So let's go on a little journey deep inside to see exactly how it all works.
Seriously, it's true. Think of it like this. If you have an orange tree and you give it good soil, plenty of water, and lots of sunshine, what happens? It's going to grow beautiful, delicious oranges, right? It's just what it does. Well, your body is the same way. It's designed to be healthy and strong, as long as you give it the right stuff.
Okay, so that brings up a really big question, doesn't it? If we have this amazing built-in healing power, why in the world do we get sick? What's getting in the way?
To get the real answer, we've got to do something fun. We're going to shrink ourselves down, Magic School Bus style, and go see how our bodies are actually built, starting with the tiniest, most basic parts. So, buckle up.
All right, our first stop on this tour is inside one of the absolute tiniest parts of you, a single cell. And get this, you have about 100 trillion of them. Hidden inside every single one is a secret set of instructions.
This instruction book is called DNA, and it's basically the master blueprint for everything that makes you, you. It decides your eye color, how tall you'll be, the whole shebang. And the craziest part, every single one of your cells has a complete copy of this incredible book. But here is where it gets absolutely mind-blowing. The book itself, it's made from the food you eat. No joke. The pages are made from healthy sugars you find in plants and fruits. The words printed on the pages, they're built from the protein we eat, and the glue that holds it all together comes from minerals, the kind you get from leafy green vegetables.
You know, that famous old quote suddenly makes a whole lot of sense, doesn't it? The food we eat literally becomes the pages and the words and the glue for our body's most important instruction manual. Food doesn't just fuel us, it literally builds us. Okay, let's head to our next stop and see how the body actually uses that instruction book. This is where it gets really, really cool. Because your body is basically a construction site that is open 24/7. It never, ever closes. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself with brand new parts. I mean, check this out. You get a whole new stomach lining every few days, a whole new layer of skin every single month. And in about 2 years, you've pretty much got an entirely new body built from the ground up. So you see, you're not stuck with the body you have right now. You're always building a new one. So how does that work exactly? Well, when your body needs to build something new, like a skin cell, it can't take the original precious instruction book to the construction site. That would be too risky. Instead, it makes a little photocopy of the specific instructions it needs. Then, that photocopy gets sent over to a tiny factory inside the cell. So inside that factory, workers read the photocopy and they start building brick by brick. Now, if you've been eating good food, the factory gets a delivery of all the right bricks and really strong glue. And boom, it builds a perfect, healthy new cell. But if your diet is missing some things, maybe some bricks are missing from the delivery or the glue is weak and watery, the factory can only build what it's given. So what you get is a wobbly, broken cell. And when your body keeps making broken cells over and over, well, that's when you can start to feel sick. Okay, for our final stop, we're going to meet some other residents living inside your body. Trillions and trillions of them, actually. And they might not be who you think they are. You're ready for this? For every one of your own cells, you have about 10 of these tiny microbes living in and on you, 10 times more. They aren't technically you, but they are a massive part of what makes you work. Most of them live in your gut, and they have a really, really important job to do. So we've all been taught that germs are the bad guys, right? They're the invaders we're supposed to fight off. But what if that's not really the whole story? What if it's more complicated than that? It turns out these tiny helpers are actually your body's cleanup crew, and their job changes depending on what's going on inside you. If things get messy, they act like garbage collectors. If there are old, broken-down cells hanging around, they become a demolition team and take them down. They even recycle the old waste. See, they don't cause problems, they show up to clean up problems. And what about when your body is healthy and everything's running smoothly? Well, their main job is to be your personal security guards. They line your gut and they protect you. They even help break down your food so you can get all those good bricks and that strong glue we were talking about. They are your vital, helpful partners. Okay, so our journey is coming to an end. We've seen the instruction book, we've visited the construction site, and we've met the cleanup crew. Now it's time to put it all together. So let's just recap the big secret to healing.
It's actually pretty simple. Number 1, your body is always rebuilding itself. Number 2, your food provides the bricks and the glue for that job. And number 3, your tiny helpers are absolutely essential for protecting you and keeping everything clean. When you put it all together, the most crucial point is this. You are the master builder of your own body. You have the blueprints, and you are the one who supplies all the materials. You are in charge of the whole construction site. Every meal you eat is you making a choice about what kind of bricks and glue you're ordering for the job. And that leaves us with one last really powerful thought. Knowing that your body is constantly getting an upgrade, that you're literally building a new you day after day, what kind of body are you going to choose to build? The choice is completely yours.